So welcome everyone. Here is the link for today's stream, and let's start today with actual market and with actual market. I just need to turn off. Okay, good. So we will start backwards today. I don't want to start like week ago because I don't even remember so many trades, because yesterday I was watching charts for 12 hours and it kind of wiped some of my trades, but I remember significant ones. So we will start with today. So let's go for it. Okay. So 1 minute chart. Yeah, so today was pretty easy. We went into weekly, which is giving us 20 trades in the row, for me at least, or maybe 10, 20 trades in the row. Very easy trade. They're all very easy. And we can see bounce was pretty amazing. It was how much together? 2%. Amazing bounce. As a scalper, you need to take profit fast from this weekly. But also you had some evidence that we might change market, structure over here. As you will do very aggressive Fibonacci, it was holding. Okay, so as a scalper, you of course take profit maybe after this move, which is amazing, almost 0.88%, 0.90. So as a scalper, you take profit here. You also took off these highs, yes, so that's logical, take profit for you. But then you had another chance to add to your position. I was adding on my scalping account, but also on a day trader account over here. I was not taking profit from day trader account here, just less, maybe 20-30%, okay? Not like 50% on scalping account. That's how you play those both two accounts together. And you see the market structure continued up. So that was really good signal. It's very clear because some people do not see it, but yeah, we are starting to doing higher highs, higher lows. Okay? You just need to know where to take profit then from this scalp or from day trade. And of course you have to do Fibonacci lines of course. This is the first significant high, so this is my first pull for Fibonacci, of course. Let's go over here. I will delete previous one so it's not confusing us. You can see there was no reaction at 0.5, but golden zone is giving us taking profit, take profit, very clean take profit, not even front run. You have also daily here. You have also VWAP here, so very heavy resistance zone. You must take profit over there, or you can end up with without like no profit at all. Market just can continue down, yeah. And this was actually your first scalp short, if you want, like because I was still holding, but this was your second scalp. I was talking to another user, so I didn't took all of those, like 2 scalps. If we measure it, it's 0. It's not looking so big, but yeah, it's 0.8. It's much bigger volatility than we had a few days ago. Yeah, it's nice. And this trade played out perfectly. 0.8% bounce down, which is very good for scalp. We can delete those fips as they gave us trade. And now we need to look for another significant high, which is this one in this case. Okay, so you will make fips here. You will make fips here, and now you have perfect trade. I said in the group this was your perfect trade, okay, because you almost touched the fips, okay, front run. You had some longs coming into the resistance. You can see the volume spike here. It was maybe 5 million longs. Maybe we can check on Exo. They were longing into resistance, so a small fuel, for more downside. You also did swing pattern over here. You also didn't close above VWAP, not even a single candle, which is showing you the market like trend down is very powerful. Okay. And lastly, you have daily over here, which is still acting as very heavy resistance. Okay. So right now you should be in short. You should already take profit because your target was like 0.8%, and you should make fips. If we continue trend up, we should really hold the golden zone. Ideally make some swing patterns over here. We will see. So this is what you should be like right now. Be long in day trade from over here and short from here as a scalper. That's where we are right now. So let's scroll back a bit to see the previous trades. We can delete this one. Also, if we have this situation right now, we can have a look on EXO. I want to combine it. I was focused on technical analysis, but I will be combining EXO more. Also, if you have any questions, just say stop or ask, or if something is not clear, I will reply directly in analysis. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
What was the problem with EXO today? Like it was helping you so much today. It was showing you huge aggressive shorts from like they started way before. So some of them are still in profit, but a lot of aggressive shorting at the bottom. You can see we liquidated a lot of longs, but these late shorts here, how much of them? Minus point, just 20 million. It's not so much, but yeah, it was enough fuel for the upside. You can see the longs are struggling because a lot of people are closing in pain, like in loss, but some new longs came in over here. Also, open interest was like crazy. You see the downside move from over here. You don't step up into such a sell, never, because this is absolutely huge. 35 million shorts. Like this was pure shorting on the market. If you have longs liquidated so much, yeah, and open interest is still rising like that, it's showing you don't want to buy the dip. You need to really wait, okay? Wait for your level, which was weekly. This was powerful move. Always be careful when you see something like this, okay? Super big volume spike on open interest, yeah. So this was the situation, but later on, buyers came in, okay, in this weekly, and we can see we heard so many of these late shorts from over here. So they were fuel into here. And we can see like at this point here, at this point over here, they are like pretty neutral against their positions, like a lot of them closed. So now we can like even continue trend down, okay? Fresh new shorts are starting to come. It's just simple market, you know, like wrecked late shorts and now wrecked like late buyers like over here. So that's how EXO helped us today with this specific situation. Just from this main trading template, not even footprints. And let's scroll back a bit, because yesterday was very good trading day. I was guiding all of you with Bram and coaches and good traders. I made 2% on all accounts, so because I was taking all of it like like a scalp. But yeah, 3 accounts at the same time, so very good trading day. I'm not even bothered today to trade because yesterday profits are like crazy. So it's very relaxed day. I like it, you know. And I make a lot one day, and then, you know, I can take day off from trading. Yeah, I had just 2 trades today, which I shown. Okay, sell from daily and buy from weekly. Easy. Also, okay, and let's go to this situation. I have the screenshot over here. So it should be over here. 32862. Yes. So yes, we 32862. Yes. So yeah, this was the touch. Yesterday it was again the perfect trade. We had so much support over here. You can see the TPO was here. Okay, TPO, it's from this template. It's just point of control, but it's calculating a little bit differently. But anyway, you can see when we came here to this, it was immediate bounce. A lot of liquidity trapped here. Boom. Yeah, 1.5% I think or more. So this was the POG I marked, but we also had the daily point of control over there, which is on this template. Just want to show you where to find those levels. Here we are. Here is the daily naked point of control. This was naked, so very strong. Okay. So this is, I already deleted the levels, but they are still here. So I was actually buying over here. I was buying from this point on this volume, and I also added to position over here. I was adding because here I entered maybe 50%. And then when I see the power and delta coming in EXO charts, good volume, so I was adding to position. That's the best way, you know. You want to catch the knife, but be really careful on the level, yeah. Like sometimes I don't enter even full position. So 50% here, adding to full power. You know, I think full power was from here. I think I already closed some profits over here because the move was pretty okay. My position was big. We can see maybe. Yes. Here was the so original entry was somewhere here. And you can see how I was taking profit. Yeah, it was already above this high. I was taking profit because, you know, it's very, very nice move. So this was perfect trade, and then we of course returned to the area because you know, we had more support over here. It was the golden zone. So 50-minute time frame. Let's see. Which one was that? It's over. Must be precise, very good. So pretty close to golden zone. Maybe it was even touched. I don't. Maybe it's not so precise on my highs there. But yeah, it was golden zone, very close touch, and you can see the very nice bounce, which happened on 15-minute. So it was another good trade, and I think that was my last trade for yesterday, which happened yesterday. And we all took it together. So because I was writing that in a general chat, it was nice. You can see the market is very weak right now. You can't even break this range. So that's your sign something, you know. Here we had the point of control of that day. You can see it was very weak. We couldn't even close above. Yeah. Crazy. And what last thing I want to say, this is very hard for trading when you see bleeding. So how to avoid bleeding? You need to watch what is happening on exocharts. It's again helping you so much, because on this bleeding we had heavy longs coming inside, but they couldn't even lift the price. When you see something like this, that's your warning sign. First of all, Bitcoin shorts. Bitcoin shorts are rising. I never watched it before, but it's quite useful to see what is the big spot market doing on Bitfinex, and they are very aggressive on their shorts right now. And all these bleeding down was caused by a lot of limit orders, caused by also by them, yeah, like on those spot exchanges. So this was your first sign, and second sign was this. Like shorts are going sideways, yeah, but you can see aggressive long started over here, and as you see, they are adding, but nothing is happening. You know, everything is limited. Also, delta bars is showing you like heavy divergences when you zoom in. It was crazy, you know. We should maybe just switch shorts, do it like this, more upside. You can see even here longs are coming in like crazy. They even caused the bearish delta top, but nothing is happening, nothing, because at this top, look here, you should be here. Like always tell yourself, you see this heel, yeah, and it's here, and now you have the same amount of longs and they are here. So difference between price is how much? $600, yeah. So it's showing you market is like limit sellers are so much powerful than than buyers. They are always the strongest hand in the market. So delta CVD was showing you all day bearish divergences all day. So this is not placed too long, okay? You want to have CVD on your side, yeah? You don't want to see pressure, like selling pressure like that. And as though longs, continue to pile in, nobody is closing, it will always cause the trouble, yeah? I see the majority edit here. How much? From 40 million to just to 110 million, okay, just in this region. So from here to here, okay, so this is where the most longs are right now, like half of them, 50 million longs over here trapped, okay, they are not happy. So even if we continue up today, you can see it's gonna be very hard to go up with so many traps longs. Like too many people are trying to exit with one door. So we can maybe continue very slowly up, but it's gonna give us very strong bounces to the downside for scalping, okay? So you take all those resistances we have right now. We have a lot of naked point of controls. This is a bit higher than we want, but yeah, we have point of controls. 3 of them over here, So yeah, really, it's gonna be very hard for market to rise for retracement. It's gonna be very choppy right now. Delta is showing okay, big selling. What is Delta doing right now? So this is high. Delta is pretty okay right now. Neutral, nothing bad there. But it was very bad here. Also, we had, I just want to check, we had close session naked point of control. I think this was small scalp we took in the group. We can zoom in. Yes, there was reaction. Here you can see pretty amazing bounce. It was very small volatility, but from 33,285 to just $200, small scalp. But the reaction was there because this close naked point of control is very small. It's just 370 million. You want at least 500 million for close session POC. Then it's really nice because the close session is very short, so the volume is very compact. Volume is compact, then a naked point of control can be pretty strong. Right now we have the London over here, so we will see the reaction with previous day point of control again. So there might be good short as well if we continue up. So that was the situation yesterday. ExoChart's very helpful. You can even see on bleeding open interest was going up as well. It was showing you new positions open, but crazy. And here we are. Here is the majority of longs. Yeah, crazy. This area. I think market will not let them sleep well, and either they will squeeze them. You can hear me, yeah? Everything is okay?
Yeah.
Perfect. So yeah, this is gonna be squeezing time.
Information overload.
Yeah, I'm trying to go in quickly. I don't want to go slow.
No, it's okay.
Some people say they run me on 1.5x on YouTube, so now I will be 1x YouTube.
Audio and video, perfect.
Perfect. Yeah, so guys, we will be waiting over here. Yeah, I have big alerts. I will be up in the night if it happens, like big sirens, and everyone will wake up, like girlfriends, moms, everyone. This cannot be missed. Okay, this zone. If we continue lower, but worst case scenario, we can continue lower. We need to be ready for that. So I will accept maybe 2% loss. We'll need to measure it. I need to prepare levels a bit lower because yes, we have naked point of control daily. Then we have, I think if we lose this region, we will be coming here. Naked point of control daily. This should give us really nice scalp again. There is no doubt, but yeah. If we will be in this region, market will be in heavy panic. So I will be very, very careful. I will be using maybe just 0.20x leverage. That's the key, guys. You need to know when to risk more, when to be defensive, when to do not lose capital. Right now I'm really defensive. I don't want to lose capital. I want to have capital ready when we have a big drop on Bitcoin or like opportunity when we go higher. So that's the key. Yeah, like we are longing, but we are very careful because market structure is so down. Let's go to trading view. Okay, BTC USD. Yeah, the chart is looking awful. We can start with monthly. Like this is what I do every Sunday. I can say I just want to see what's happening. So monthly is looking really bad for now. There is no sign of bulls yet. As a scalpers, we need to just imagine this is scalping, yeah, just on bigger time frame. So what you want to see, at least from this monthly perspective, is to start to close above this area. Okay, above this monthly, you want to see something like this. I'm just telling you what bigger traders are seeing, okay? Because you have just big institutions, they are not looking on 1 minute, they are looking exactly on this monthly. They want to see some monthly evidence. Yeah, we might change something. For now, evidence is really bad. You don't even see support on monthly because when you rise in such a power, you don't build support. So it's crazy. Okay, so monthly is very bearish for now. We want to see close above this at least to negate or just to hammer candle at least. Some very nice reversal candles which we have in the group section. Weekly is looking different. but still very bearish. We can see there was try to make some candle like a hammer, but just negativity is stronger. And right now we are doing the lowest close for the year, which is very, very bearish. And if this candle continues, then panic will happen. There is no doubt about it. We can see on daily we have limited support as well. So if we fall 27,000 is gonna be. This is by the way our dailies. They are so low. Because the best daily when you have uptrend is from negative candles, because it's showing you the power of the market. So this is weekly. So the weeklies are just here. They are so far away. We will have to working with the dailies. But this weekly area are very strong. So if we lose, for example, 20k and we go lower, we should like maybe get some nice reaction from these two. Because I think a lot of shorts, the shorts were trying to push the price, they failed. And if they have deep pockets, they are still in the loss. So they will cause the further upside, like they will cause the bounce. That's why I want to see those candles. A lot of selling, but yeah, depends on volume as well. We can add volume. Okay, so volume was there, some volume, 20 billion, 12 billion. So yeah, not huge volume. Okay, let's remove volume. So it's gonna be clean. And we can see why we are stopping this daily. This daily is just magic. Style. If we stop, like if we bounce here, this is gonna be bottom. It's gonna be pretty amazing. It's very, it's just 30% maybe chance. But yeah, anyway, if we stop again, yeah, it's just crazy. Like if you make weak, when we push up, this is gonna show like a lot of power of buying. But yeah, chances are lower. So this is weekly, looking bad. It's gonna be very simple, and daily of course is looking bad. There is no sign of improvement. We are doing lower highs, lower lows. We can see. Now we are waiting for resolution. Like this maybe. Also we can see the volatility is smaller and smaller. Again we are like squeezing up. So this is always, based on my experience, we will have a big push either way. Or dart mole candle, like both ways. This is gonna be fun, yeah. We as scalpers, we will trade it well, but not many people will do. So from daily perspective, you can see we have support at and these areas, 27,000 something. We have some trading, and bigger support is around here, 23,000. 23,000, 24,000. You want to see where the price spend most time. That is the reason also why we are spending a lot of time here, because the price built all the volume here. That's why world is so scared when we break 30k for real, because there is no volume. Like we didn't spend time here, so it can be just pushed down into 23k or even 20k here. This is even smaller, yeah. So this is the major support. I have a friend who is working for a bank, and he said the institutions are waiting at 20k. For them it's ideal entry. They don't care about retail, because on weekly scale, I need to turn on Bitcoin USD Tether. Tether should have bigger history. For them is the 20k ideal entry, is previous high. Okay, so they will be following principles of market principles. That's what I will be following. A lot of capital is sitting in this high. I think if we lose it, then we have this high. Anyway, yeah, this is looking like pretty zone. So if we'll be trading here anyway, it's gonna be bear market. Maybe during COVID, we will see. I just don't know how the world will manage COVID crisis, because what happened last time. Bitcoin dropped 70% along with stock market. So if the second, third or fourth wave will be crazy, then yes, we can expect it might influence Bitcoin again. We will see. Vaccination should help. So yeah, this is the long-term supports. We will see. Again, the problem is a lot of buying institutions. They were buying from over here. Even Michael Saylor is 25. I think his average is 25,000 right now. So yeah, it's gonna be crazy. Some institutions get wrecked. Some will just get in. So it's gonna be big battle. It will be amazing opportunities. There will be big volatility, I think, when we come here on the first days. Anyway.
Mhm.
Daily looking ugly. And another time frames. By the way, we can have a look. Just I was just charting the day before, looking for some things. And we can see we are pretty. We can have a look on this one. Always for this this is Fibonacci split resistance fund. Some professionals are using it, and we can see, okay, this you always need to find the major high and major low, and we can see from this reaction, okay, we formed it, and we can see the market was like pretty respecting it much. A lot of people traded it. Okay, look here, 0.382, very good support. And now we get support from 0.5. There was support, and now our golden zone. It's, I don't know, not reacting much, but yeah, he was something. This is more long term, like for swings. So this was very helpful for swing trading. And we can also do opposite one. I will chart on, we will return BTC USD. There is enough history there. Don't want to chart on Binance, not good. I always take COVID low as my major entry for longer terms. We will see what's happening right now. So yep, the golden zone is saving us right now. Here is working perfectly. Even 0.5 was trying to close, but there was big down. And we closed the bow. Okay, on 1 minute you can see it sometimes very clean. And 0.61 is saving us. So if we lose it, another reason we might just drop lower into 23. Here it's gonna be 23,500, big support. This is market structure support, so you have big fun here. So be aware. Very nice. And I just want to see the bearish pitchfork. What is he doing? Okay, just need to be, I want to be precise so we can see. Okay, so bearish pitchfork holding midline as well. It's trying to slide around the 0.61. Yeah, I like bullish ones more. It's quite, you have some holding here, but it's strange. We can switch to original one. Okay, original is fail. I prefer shift. Also make sure on big time frames when you use, we can see like this. We want to see the big Fibonacci, yeah? So we'll pull here. This is big Fibonacci. It's still waiting for us, so I think a lot of long-term buyers is gonna show up here. It's a big region, so we can expect maybe some chopping. Yeah, but we see it here. But when you want to see the logarithmic, because some institutions use logarithmic, it's just you switch to logarithmic. But then you also need to switch Fibonacci to logarithmic, which is down there. And it's showing a different picture. Yeah, a bit crazy. So 0.5 is much lower. Okay. So this is gonna be maybe ultimate support if we get bear market. I don't know if we get it. So this is the one, and also because sometimes you ask me where I get Fibonacci from. They're also from log. They need to be from log. And we should see where is the bear market starting really. We need to turn on 0. Okay, we can Last thing we can do, I forgot about 0.382. It's turned off for a while. Want to see. Okay, so this one is at 21,700. Very good. And now we need to switch to this low. Okay, so you can see logarithmics are working as well, pretty well. The zero line is holding us. So this is really good FIBS, and you should mark it in a long-term charts just as a level. You don't have to use full FIBS, but yeah, just write it 0.5 log 25,325. And also this should be on your swing or day trade chart, not on scalping. You cannot scalp out of this, it's very hard. You need more precise levels. But you see how is the market holding this line perfectly. So I think we can get a lot of bounces from here. You just know you're in the area where you look for longs. Here you are, you know, and also here, perfect. So 20,000 to 18,700. This is perfect scenario, by the way, because if we come to 20k, from psychological point of view, I don't think we hold 20k. We go under. We take a lot of stop losses. Maybe if I were a market maker, I would even go up like below here to rect everyone, to rect even those who think they are safe. They will not be safe. So we will see. Maybe not. Maybe we just stop here and bounce. The market will give you answer. But mark those levels. This is really good FIBS because they are holding right now. Okay, and these FIBS we will see. They are very long term. So in case of big bear market, they will come in play. I do not doubt. Any questions for now?
No, I'm depressed.
Why are you depressed? It's okay. We need to be ready for both scenarios, you know.
Yeah, no, sure.
I'm very unhappy because like I sold a lot of alts over here at the top, but I didn't sell much Bitcoin, so I will not be happy from bear market. But anyway, it's okay because you will make more Bitcoins as a trader. When you're a good trader, you can come out of bear market as a very rich person. So that's gonna be all your goals. You will get twice more Bitcoin, yeah. I didn't have much time because I started 2019, to be profitable. So where is the 2019? Yeah, somewhere. So when we ended the bull market, I started to be profitable somewhere here. I was already using FIBS, without exocharts. So, but I didn't have so much time to accumulate Bitcoin. I lost but I lost on this drop. Of course, everyone lost. Nobody expected 70% drop, so I had a big drawdown, maybe 20% or 30% on accounts. I don't mind because you see me just winning. Of course, I have losses. Yeah, I have losses too. But for past 3 months, there was no loss for me. For example, 18th of April, I just remember because it's on PNL there was a loss, 10% on all accounts. Crazy, because I was not even prepared. I was managing 3 accounts at the same time. At the market tanked $5,000 in few seconds. Yeah, like even my stop losses were skipped. Yeah, that's why you use mark price, not LTP when you have big volatility. LTP is great when we do general trading like every day, but when you have $10,000 drops, you must use mark price or index price. So your stop is like have better chance to be accepted into market. Yeah, I think one of them is like guaranteed stop. Yeah, no, okay. So yes, this was my loss, 20% probably on PNL, and this was for this year, this was my biggest loss when we had 18th of April. Where is it? We can have a look. Everyone gets wrecked. If someone was shorting, then great. Because we had a lot of, 18, this is May, this one, yeah. This one was crazy, and over weekend, so I had lesson. I'm much more careful over weekends, never using normal leverage. I just use smaller leverage sometimes. Only when I see the strong level, then I go a bigger leverage. But weekends I'm more cautious because levels don't have to react so much. You are missing big support from institutions, banks, and then bad shit can happen like this. Okay. So awful market, you can see. on 1 hour chart, we are not doing higher highs. Like all time frames right now are so bearish. Yeah, so we will see. But we know Bitcoins, there is magic power on Bitcoin. When everyone is bearish, when everything is super bearish, then Bitcoin wrecked everyone. So we need to watch it. Crazy. Even here we have downtrend, like channel. Yeah, crazy. Down channels everywhere. What is Bitcoin doing right now? 1 minute. We continue down, yes. It was expected, you know. We'll see what Fibonacci will do. Okay, I will not take live trade, but we can watch. I will tell you. EXO. 1 minute. 3 minutes is better for me. I just like 3 minutes. Open interest. Also New York naked point of control over here, which is giving you one more confluence. There might be pounds. What is the level? 39,497. So let's do it. 39,417. 32,497. It's exactly on Fibonacci, by the way. New York POC. EXO, what is EXO doing? Open interest. Neutral. Longs are closing, shorts are coming. Classic, yeah. Continuation. I also want my sounds, I will not turn them. Do you use it, guys? Because I use it all day. I don't sometimes need to watch EXO charts. I am hearing volume a lot of, you know, it's very nice.
I don't know this one.
Yeah, it's noisy, but it's okay, you know. How much we doing? Okay, so 40 minutes of a bit of analysis. Also, when I trade, I also always watch here, for example, I'm watching 50-minute. It's like driving. It's inside under your mind. When the 50-minute is closing, I'm watching how it closes. When 30-minute is closing, I'm watching how it's closing, and I'm watching how 1 hour is closing. I don't know. I always do it. It's just 1 second of my time, but it's important. 4 hour I'm watching as well. When day closes, I need to watch how day closes. Okay, always do it because you are looking for those. Yesterday. You're looking for reversal candles, of course, as a scalper. It will help you. This was quite a lot of reversal on 50-minute, yeah. When I'm placing the trade, I want to see some support from higher time frames. I do it here. I don't know why I don't switch it on Bybit. I know why I don't switch on Bybit. When I switch it on 50-minute here, it's fucked, yeah. Too many lines, so want to see it clean. So yeah, this was perfect reversal candle. I'm looking for something like this, yeah. Hammers, candles, stars. You want to see that clean. Also, this is good candle. So give time to. Right now, before when we had bull market, there was not so much recognition in candles, but right now they work pretty well. I just use it from previous skills like Forex, and because for the example, this candle is showing you you negated whole this candle. You made bigger body. You closed bigger than this candle. It's showing you buyers are starting to be in control. Okay. It's like engulfing, but not so strong. Engulfing candle is like a much bigger, even going over week. But you want to see something like this. Then you have another confluence for you. Okay, now I should be in longs, not in shorts. Like 60% longs, 40% shorts. Odds higher. And you see we did, you know. So when you know we are going long from weekly, another confluence for you. Candle. And this is reversal candle. Okay, this is the shooting star. I don't know the names, but I just know. Might be shooting star or hammer or something like this, like big push and very little body. Then you know it's time for more downside. 30-minute reversal candle as well. The body closing, big wick. So yes, this is what I do. 1 hour is also very important. I should maybe do video about candles, but I do it by more like experience. Don't even, I don't even know the name of some of the candles. You don't need to know. We have 100 types. You just need to know reversal candles. They are most important for scalpers. Indecision. This is also what I do. Yeah, so we should probably start with questions. 40 minutes of analysis, a lot of things together. So ask me questions.
Okay. I would have one or two. Swing failure pattern, I'm usually still off with your when you categorize them in small, medium, and major one.
Okay.
For me the most ones are just like minors. I don't know exactly how you do this.
Yes. Okay. So when you are watching for swing failure pattern, you want to estimate based on volume. You can turn on volume, or you can just see by the market structure where people place stop losses. And you can see this is major swing failure pattern, because most people, they will place stop loss under here. This is the medium one, because some people who don't want to lose so much capital, they will place stop loss here. But I think majority, like 70%, place stop loss here. It's just logical, that's what they are teaching them in books. Place stop loss under significant low, so they will be waiting here. This is major one. Also, the major one will give you the biggest reaction always. Medium.
And the major one you find every time on 15 minutes, or?
Yeah, I like 50 minutes. Yeah, I like 50 minutes or 1 hour if I'm looking for bigger time frames. But yeah, 1 hour is better for. Is even better for this. You see, this is the major one. This is also major one because they are far away. Like how much? $2,000. Yeah, so you have plenty of reaction to get a very nice swing failure pattern. Major as well.
Major.
This is the major range, yeah, because we have a lot of range here. This is the major as well.
Okay.
Always look where is the range ending, okay? Now the range is ending like this range. This range we are right now in here is ending here, so this is gonna be major one. Also, yeah, this one is okay. Yeah, this is major for this range. This is major for this range. When you zoom out, major here. Also, this is gonna be strong. A lot of wicks, so there will be some stop losses here. When you have a downtrend, and you need to mark everyone, it's gonna be medium in my terms. Medium. This is major top of the Bitcoin price. Yeah. I'll also go to history, of course, mark from history. It's important. Medium, major. Medium, this is the major here. Medium, the smaller one. Just major is the main one, and the medium is smaller one. There can be a nice reaction as well. That's it.
And can you show, please, an example for a small one, which you would still take, and another small one which you wouldn't take because it's just too small?
Yeah.
So that.
Like we as a scalpers, we even take 1 minute swing failure pattern. So I cannot even, if you get the confirmation it's swing failure pattern, you go in. There is no, you can have a look on 1 minute. It's perfect. It's working on all time frames, so there is no reason why not to take it. You had this is just local one, yeah. Because why is local one? You have just a few people, probably shorts. Not many people here. We just build the range on 1 minute, yeah. Just need to change color. Okay. Even here, you had evidence it's swing failure pattern. You had the resistances over here, golden zone daily. Also swing failure pattern was happening. So even swing failure pattern. You just want most people watch what you see. You took out people, closed under. That's it. You have stop loss here. Can be tight here. It's up to you. This is local one. Even local ones are great.
And when you are entering, I have the feeling that you are entering sometimes earlier than confirmation.
Yes, I'm aggressive sometimes when I have like bounce from resistance already, like I have golden zone above, yeah, or I have something. Sorry.
So when I see that already, so it's just like free fall, and then I see a wick. So it's just happening that a wick is building up. Then I actually could already, if I'm aggressive, entering in the next candle,
Yeah, but it's
even
also
if it's below the line, because the wick showed me that it could go up.
yeah. I mean, it's also experience. So I've seen so many swing failure patterns. I enter aggressively. I usually can 80% I can estimate it's gonna be really good. Also, you have exo charts for this. You want to see. You will switch to 1 minute on templates. You'll be watching for open interest. So for some longs or shorts coming in. So you can help yourself with exo charts, but I don't use it sometimes. I just use chart because it's easy, and just want to show you. In this case, sometimes when you have too big swing failure pattern, it's not even worth taking. Or you can take it, but with smaller leverage. That's what I was explaining in other videos. Because when you have a wig like this, then your stop loss is gonna be crazy, So you have to enter with smaller position to make stop loss here. But you can even do not even take swing failure pattern if you are not sure, and take them just after confirmation as a beginner or learning trader. Some are really experienced and like feeling, and I get it right.
Mhm.
But ideal scenario, you wick into resistance. That's your perfect swing failure pattern, okay? Perfect. Your entry was here, easy. And also, that's why I use stop loss, like I use 0.5, 0.4. Look here. Because you had actually, this was a bit misleading. Yeah, you had swing failure pattern. You took some stop losses here. The candle closed, so your entry was already here, yeah? But then you had big wick to take out those early longs from here, like to scam people. So, but of course, when you have the chart, you have resistances over here. So you will expect something like into the resistance, one more push, yeah? It happened, so. Entry here, stop loss here, you are done. That's it, and you can already see the reward ratio to this short was amazing, like 3-1 already. How much is to move?
Why exactly do you expect this bigger push after?
Which push?
You said here the first candle is where you would enter, and then comes the big wick candle.
Yeah,
And
because you had
said
resistance
you would
here.
expect it.
No, I
don't
didn't expect it. It was just, it can happen, It can happen sometimes when first the shorts are doing swing failure pattern, they actually get swing failure pattern on them. So because market is cheeky, yeah. So even they can be swing failure pattern as well. Even 3 times, 4 times, it's happening all the time. So, but when you have good stop loss, you will avoid any cheeky stuff.
Actually, when just now a swing failure pattern happened on 1 minute,
Yeah.
and it's bouncing up,
Where?
and then it comes down again, is the place where from where it's bouncing up already.
Yeah.
When it
But I would not
swing
take.
failure?
I would not take, for example, here. Maybe here swing failure pattern. Maybe this one. We will wait because market is very bearish. So there is a panic, and when you continue down, it's better when you have. Okay, one more advice. When you have the bearish market, you want to take more swing failure patterns when you go high. And when you have the bullish market, you are looking for swing failure patterns of the longs. It's not rule, but it's like better, because right now I would not even take all those swing failure patterns here, local ones. It's just too much panic in the market. Only this one, if we get it, only this one. Okay. What about golden zone? It's probably not reacting. I see it's not looking good yet. We will see. There might be reaction. Yeah, so that's swing failure pattern. Okay, so next question, please. If someone,
Yeah, I have a question about exo charts, about main template.
Okay.
We can see on the main template, actually, there from 2 sides is the volume.
Mhm.
But how do you use it?
I don't
And
use
why-
it much. It's there.
Okay.
It's like daily volume, yeah. So you can see, daily point of control over here. It's showing you the yellow one. It's a volume, like DPOG is a daily point of control from TPO so from ExoCharts templates, and this yellow one is based on a volume like in ExoCharts. Okay, so they are pretty close today, which is nice. But you want to see the yellow one. Where is it? When they align together, it means super, because you have volume point of control and TPO point of control together. That's how you use it. This is the like trading view volume. Okay, that's it.
All right.
It's also showing you volume here on the left. You have the volume from trading view, again based on volume. So you can see the previous day val. No, actually this is the current day. Yes. Brown maybe knows. This is the TPO, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Wait, so the volume profile you see on the left, the one you're pointing at right now, that's from the entire week. So that's the weekly volume. And the one you see on the right with the yellow line you were talking about, that's the volume of the current day and yesterday combined.
Cool. Yes, you can find it in settings. It's written there, but yeah, I don't even watch here this. I don't even watch it at all. So for me, it's not important. But yeah.
Yeah, the one on the right is pretty useful.
Okay. Yeah, we are building better templates anyway, so
Yeah.
more nicer. Okay, so more questions,
Nice
please.
blue.
Also, tell me bad trades you had. I want to tell you why you failed trades, guys. Some of you, it's important. If you have one, like you remember.
Now I will start. I think like in 1 or 2 weeks I will start to do a lot of small trades. At the moment I'm not time-wise ready for that.
It's okay. So it's quite a lot of people here. So more
Sorry,
questions?
guys. The course, I haven't been trading. I've just been a bit out of business lately, so just to update, no, I don't have any failures of late to report.
Okay,
Thank
it's
you.
fine. Okay. You took holiday, or what was the reason?
Back in hospital again, just a bit more surgery again. I'm getting there.
Okay, that's cool. Okay, so most people are muted. They are just watching.
No. If you're interested later, I don't know, maybe next week or so, could show you a tool I was creating at the moment. It's actually suitable for learning as well. So you can pretty precise track trades. You can even implement screenshots and stuff like this.
Okay.
And so my thought was I wanted to have a database where I can find over months and months of data, precise information
Yeah.
of trades. So I was building it, and when building it and showing it, I think Tin Man or so, he said this would be actually also pretty cool for learning. So because the coaches could then instantly see what every information about the trade. It can actually track if you added funds and how many take profit and blah blah blah.
Okay.
And the data entry is pretty easy. So it's actually click a drag and drop, or you don't have to write. You just click it.
So it's better than we have right now, yeah?
It's completely different approach. My approach was I wanted to have a real program where you can input data, and this data every time looks exactly the same. So when you make queries afterwards, and you're querying the data, you get exact results, and not like someone is writing it like this and someone else is writing it like that, and it's two different informations, even though it's the same thing.
Yeah.
So you have no choice. You have to at the beginning you have to set it up. I actually, well, if you want to, no, we can do it later or now. I don't know.
Okay, we'll talk
could
about it
show
later.
already.
So we can focus on trading right now. Yes, but it's very good info. Thank you. Yes, it will be nice. Make life easier for people.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Perfect. Also, I want to show you guys today the new template. I forgot to show. I mean, not new. It's not already we are using it, but this is the overall range, and we can see why we are bouncing as well today. I just want to show you how many confluences you had for weekly bounce. Yeah. this is the range for 19th of May, and we can see we are breaking on the value area low, but the market is trying to protect it on a first touch. Yeah, maybe it's not even new long so many, but there are a lot of shorts closing out here. We can see already it's starting to push up. So that's how bigger traders trade. They just look for longs under this area until you don't like lose it for real. Yeah, like here. But while you are playing around very tight around this, then you can search for longs. We can see bounce here. We can see very nice bounce here, and also, okay, even if you took the golden zone, sometimes there are some advanced methods. Yeah, sometimes I use it. I don't want to say everything I use because some are a bit more like riskier, but sometimes you can enter 50% here. When you're not sure, okay, you have just the golden zone, yeah, for example, and also something else is here. And then you can enter 50% here. So you have full position compounded from here, and you still play stop loss over here. So that's another style you can apply, like lower your risk from here, because this is really risky trade right now, okay? Like I would really expect, I don't expect much, but I would expect like take out lows at least, yeah. But yeah, if you enter here, 50% here, 50% at the 0.86 as the last line of defense, because you see it's holding nicely with wick, and you still play stop loss here, and you will measure your stop loss, and you will get much better entry from, so let's say we are from here. And our stop loss is 0.4, let's say, okay? It's much better stop loss than when you would enter just from here. 0.55, okay? So you save some money on stop loss. So this is the way as well. I sometimes do it because like I don't trade huge amounts relative to my account. I go big only when I have a big opportunity. Like I read the compound with low risk, but yeah, yesterday was big day. I went a big time. So made good money, but today just 0.5x leverage here, 0.5x leverage here, easy entry. We will see what's gonna happen now. How much is the bounce already? You are already, when you have average here, you are already hitting first take profit area because you have 0.5 bounce. We know how the market trades right now. 0.5 bounces are like possible, and you take profit after this. 1% is really generous. You take profit too. 30% locked to your stop loss, and you cannot lose. Like this market is still very nice. You don't even imagine how is the bear market. This is still nice market. When you survive bear market, you survive everything. So because I lost money in bear market in 2018 when I was trading, so this is still nice for me. So maybe some traders are missing that bad experience in bear market. In bear market, you would have just bleeding. There would be no retracements, bleeding down, little swing fire pattern, continued bleeding. And a lot of ranging, yeah, of course. But bear market, real true bear market, when you have no capital incoming, is not giving you a lot of chance to escape. So yeah, it's crazy. There is a saying like you lose. Some people lose all bull market money in bear market. Yeah, that's why it's. So is we don't want bear market, but there will be a lot of ranging in bear market. It's just not so merciful. This is still merciful because I see it. Every day I earn for my stop loss at least like 9 trades out of 10 or 8 trades out of 10. Crazy, From
Were
here.
you already?
Sorry.
Were you already trading in bear market? Also profitable?
No, not profitable. No, I was. It was hard.
Do you think it's doable, or is it just go stock market?
Right now,
or
I would
Forex?
be. Of course, right now I would be okay in bear market, and I will guide you all of you in the group. But yeah, before I was not using so many tools, and I was using bad things, and it was not good. So right now I have much better tools, and strong levels. They will work in bear market.
Okay.
Just want to hide this. Yeah, there are some. It was just there was not so much volatility, and the daily move was like $300. Okay, so you had like your fees were really expensive. Yeah, that was the problem because it was very, very different trading than right now. A lot of capital is still incoming, and it's easy to trade. And I think with institutions we shouldn't really return to 3K range. It's maybe 10K max drop. I'm hearing miners, they mine for 10,000 right now, so So yeah. Okay. So, any questions from other guys here? Or everyone is just listening today? Carlos, you have something?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, hello.
Hello, Chibi. Hello,
Hi.
guys. Maybe you explained this before, but I was wondering, maybe there were too many confluences in the volume that you traded yesterday,
Mhm.
that you said it was a strong long. So how different that level was compared to other places where we saw a bounce with almost the same percentage, like 1.5%. We have seen those bounces before, but this one was, I mean, you saw this was more special. Like this level had more chances than the others
Yes.
to
Yes,
go
because
as
naked point of controls. Yeah, they we had 2 naked point of controls. I think it was here from TPO, and also, I mean, one was from TPO, like general one, and another one was naked daily. So when you have so much naked stuff at the same place, it's naked. You know, you can see naked point of controls. They work so well. Even the closed session naked point of control before, it was here. I think I was showing you. Even that gave us bounce. So if little naked closed session point of control is giving you bounce, then yeah, you really expect a big bounce, and you see the reaction was crazy. And we had the golden zone there. I was going over this trade already. We had levels there. It was not just, you see the daily here, look daily. This was just perfect, you know. It was untouched daily for a long time. You just need to know when to risk more. That's it, you know. And for me, this was good risk. Okay. Also, you can see the volume was confirming, like the huge longs were stopped out. 57 million spilled. Yeah. That's also what you want to see. All these longs bleeding here, they finally capitulated. So capitulation is part of it as well. This you can see on ExoCharts. Open interest, huge drop. Yeah. And then fresh longs started to come in. Big good volume. Because always liquidations, they will have big volume. But then you see a lot of open interest coming up. So it was amazing, you know. It was perfect trade yesterday. That was, you know.
Okay, great. So more confluences plus the naked point
Yeah.
of control.
The more you get, the better.
Okay, nice.
Okay, naked. Focus on naked. We don't want naked things.
Yes, naked things.
Yes.
Thanks, Steve.
Oh, yes.
I don't think I've heard naked that many times in one sentence before.
Everything's naked is good. That's it. Okay, so who else has questions? Who didn't speak? Seer Crypto, you have something?
No, nothing, man. The losing trade. It wasn't a losing trade, but is not as profitable as it should have been. And can you guys hear me?
The one.
Crypto. Okay.
Yeah, you talked about it. It was the 0.5 and the 1% on that earlier trade from yesterday.
Mhm.
I was treating it. I'm so used to swing trades and interdays that or day trading that I held in a lot longer than when I should have. Again, I still took profit, but I missed out on a good chunk of profit because of that. So you touched on it earlier about the 0.5 and the 1%, you know, especially when the trend's going down.
Yeah.
So
You mean from naked close?
No, the one that yesterday, the daily and then the naked pot, right? The naked pot, that one right there.
This one.
Yeah, that one. Yes, sir.
Okay. So why you failed here? You were. Oh, I see. So you were in profit, but you were waiting. You go higher and you lost all profit. Yeah, like here. That's what happened.
Yeah, I made about 10% of what I could have made because I held a lot longer.
Oh, yeah,
so that was sad.
Yeah, it's okay. You will change your mind. You know, like Morpheus, we will change your mind and you will be like more scalper as a swing. But also, are you a good swing trader? Or yeah, how is it going?
I haven't done much. I've been focusing so much on scalping lately that I really haven't done much of that. I will tell you this though, based on that conversation that we had yesterday, I immediately took profit off the swing failure pattern that we had earlier, and it was nice. So it definitely, definitely learning from those mistakes.
No, that's amazing. That's amazing to hear. And also, yeah, I see the golden zone was here. Yeah, it was pretty nice entry as well to the daily. Yeah, daily can give us multiple trades, but of course each trade they are losing steam. We can see first bounce bigger, second bounce smaller, and we can see the last bounce. Okay, last one was pretty nice. So 3 bounces from the region, I see. We can even classify this as a, okay, this was not even swing failure pattern. Let's have a look here. Yeah, 0.86. Always be aware of 0.86. Sometimes it's so good, you know. This was this was textbook trade as well, yeah. Stop loss here and boom. A bit wider. You have any other question or all is clear?
I have one question to Bram. Actually, I got his new template that he shared in general chat, and yeah, what I saw there is different delta. But can you, Bram, explain how do you use it?
Different delta, yeah. So it's just a CVD line, and then you've got the delta bars, which basically correspond to each candle. So you can see some of them have like a red background or a green background. Do you see that?
Mm-hmm.
So basically, it's divergence from what the candle is doing. So when there's a green background, it usually means that the delta is pushing down. So there's more selling in that candle than there's buying on market, but the candle is actually pushing up. So it means that something is absorbing the selling. And the same goes for red. That means there's more buying pressure. So more people in that candle bought than they sold, and the candle is pushing down. So it just shows delta divergence. It's really good for entries, but you can't use it just based on delta divergence. You need some other stuff as well. So you want to see, if you see like a green background, which means positive delta divergence, so that more people are selling, yet the price is going up. If you see that, you also want to see some buyer imbalances come in, and preferably positive delta in next candle, and then you can enter. So don't use it as like a signal. Use it as confluence.
All right, thanks.
Yeah, Wizardry, we need to combine things together, never alone. Only thing I take alone is golden zone. I will take it anytime when I see it's good golden zone. So this is the only thing I take, but it must be really like from bigger range and lower leverage. That's really like exception for me, and good swing failure pattern as well. But yeah, other things you need to combine together. Do you like this template, guys, who Bram made?
Yeah, it's pretty
Yeah.
clean. I like it, and
Clean.
I don't
will
know.
change
I think
few
it's
colors,
yeah.
but it's okay.
Actually-
I always do it after Bram. Then I just
no,
must
it's
have
good.
red candle and green candle. I just must have this.
Poor
maybe.
colorblind people.
Yeah. But it's very clean, yeah, very clean. So yeah, I'm really glad Bram is part of the group. He's like really for these templates and other stuff. So great help. So yeah, it's amazing.
Easy that
We
stuff.
will
I was
have much
looking
better
into it.
templates than before. That's what we can say. Yeah. A lot of templates are coming. Yeah, I need to do this about this template. There is a lot of education about this template. So the one
You
thing I
can-
want to mention you, all of you, or all people who will be watching in just very short period of time is single prints, because you can see it already in our main template already for a long time. I will show main template as well. That's only just little small peek. So where we have some example.
Yeah, it's gone pretty much.
Everything is eaten, yeah, but
Yeah, they've been eaten.
So single prints is when you have the very aggressive move through levels and you make just very like one letter, yeah, we can say from TPO. No volume there, just very very big push. And market what market loves to do is to fill this void, yeah, volume void. And there are some principles like when you touch it, it's resistance. When you touch it and you go down. When you claim this, like you start to close inside with candles, then you will likely fill the region. Yeah, market, there is very low chance market leaves single print like that unfilled. Very low chance. We can see we have just one here after strong move, but we have a lot of single prints when we were coming down here. There is nothing here. Everything was filled. It was shown just before. We sometimes with Bram we talk about this, like, yeah, we did this single print trade. Everything is filled, so you can see 90% is going to be filled. So you can count. It's like resistance, yeah, because some people are trapped there. When you have a big move, of course you trap people, yeah. So that's the reason why we use it. And this template, it's showing it much better. So we had one single print over here. I think it was over here, and we had little move down, but it was 0.5%, so it was not little. And you see we resisted. It's gone. I cannot show you, but we resisted and then we continue up. Feel it, we feel it was little. There are some rules about it. It's a general market profile theory, so we will do education about it. I don't want to do it now, but it's another bonus trade for you. So when we combine everything, like at the end of the year, we will have everything together and we'll be crazy traders. What can I say? Because even I myself, I'm educating in ExoCharts. It's a continuous journey, yeah, because it's a lot to learn, very lot to learn. When I started with ExoCharts, I was using just levels, yeah, just levels. I didn't know nothing, yeah. But then, I started to learn. I was like learning about net longs, net shorts. I continually was adding, as you see in videos, what is open interest. Now we can, thanks to open interest, we can predict a lot of things, So yeah, I'm learning, and this this template is gold, so will be shown. What is okay? All shorts. You can see now we are dropping. Open interest is rising, so it's showing you. It's showing you the move. The move is not weak. It's quite strong, because even the buyers are battling with sellers. Yeah, so we will see who is gonna win. But this is like real move. It's not on closing, like interest is going, open interest is going down, like here was going down. This was just shorts getting wrecked, yeah, shorts covering. Now they are for real, they are shorting again, yeah. So open interest, very key to understand. Okay, so who else is here? I don't want to go 2 hours today, just maybe 20 minutes more. So it's like crazy, but I want to it would be ideal to hear some question from all people. CryptoKitty, you have question? Or Cloudfire, yeah.
Hello.
Hi. I missed you here. So you have any question?
Well, I'm just learning from your videos.
Can you hear me?
And
Yes, we hear you. We will first sort Cloudfire and then we can ask you.
Learning from your videos.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we hear you.
But we hear a lot of TV from your side. You need to go, Glover, CryptoKitty, a lot of TV. Okay, Cloudfire, go ahead with your question, please.
all right. I started doing crypto like 3 months ago, and I was looking at candlesticks, charts, and everything. I still was hooked up on those charts to see. Then I came to learn about your videos, and I thought, okay, this is nice, because I can see the charts and plans and everything. But I was a little bit confused about TPO charts, because it looks a bit messy from my side. But right now it's starting to make a little bit of sense that you're Golden Jones and everything. So I was just doing the marking on the charts and seeing how it is reacting. I'm not trading right now, because I'm kind of scared that market will go down, because I was very good. I like to do I'm not good at shorting things, because when I started trading, it was going up, so it was very comfortable for me. Right now I am watching your videos, and it gives me a little bit of feedback that, okay, fine, these are the levels that Bitcoin actually reacts, going up and going down, because the move is around 2000, it is coming down, then it also goes up for 1500. So it's kind of confirmation that this is how Bitcoin is actually moving right now. It's kind of ranging. So I saw
Yeah.
the range template, and I asked you that give me that range template, and I want to look at it, then how it is moving. But then it's starting to make a little bit of sense right now, because I do not I'm not equipped with all the knowledge, so maybe I'm not able to ask you precise questions. But right now I want to ask that how many things, the swing failure pattern, then golden zones, and all these acts as a confluence. So how many should I mark, how many should I mark on the chart to actually go for swing trading? Because I understand a little bit of scalping because of 1 minute chart
Yeah.
and 15 minute chart that I have seen, but swing failure is still a mystery for me, because it's like I feel like it's a 2000 move up and 1500 move down is a bit risky, because it may not respect the golden zone, it may come down.
Why don't you
And-
start with a small capital and just trade little size, like maybe $500 and do $200 trades? You need to be in market to get scalping. You will not learn it from watching just.
All right. That,
Okay, so that's
I'm-
what you should do. Really, start really small. Be in the market.
Alright.
Have skin in the market.
all right.
And also, as a swing trader, I will be doing section next month in August. So you will get a lot of informations there. I will probably not discuss it here because it can take a lot of time. But we will have a lot of big section for swing, because for me it's starting to be important as well. As my portfolio grows, I want to invest really good.
All right.
So, and as a scalper, you will learn enter position as a scalper anyway for swing. Yeah, that's what
alright.
we want to do.
All right.
Right now
Thank
we
you.
can
Thank
watch market what is gonna happen, because we have the weekly and medium swing failure pattern, so we will see. Yeah, so I will do sections, so no worries. Your needs will be satisfied.
It's just I'm curious about it, and also the market is going down. So what is your suggestion for the people who have been holding some coins like BNB and all that?
They are in trouble. Yeah, what nothing to say. You should really sell, because all these people are unhappy because of the greed. That's the human emotion and nothing to do. 70, maybe 80% of people didn't took profit when we made 100x on some coins, yeah, or even 10x, and now they will be selling in panic at the bottom, or maybe it's bear market. We don't know yet. But if you made good money, maybe doubled your investment, or maybe 10x or 5x, you should take profit now. It's too late already, but it can be much worse.
I think it's a prayer that nobody should hold coins. Unless they make
but
profit of it.
we have opportunities. Yeah, look here. I bought Solana at $20. Yeah, and it's I sold at some at 36. So there are opportunities here.
Yeah.
And I think there are a lot of people, they were left out of the bull market. So when Bitcoin comes to 20k and we ultimately get capitulation was first, but we need one more maybe. Then we can rise again. You just need to hodl. If it's gonna be years or months, hodl.
All
Nothing
right.
to do here, and take some profit as well. Yeah, because we are dropping exactly because of this. Yeah, people are scared and they just taking at least some profit. They will just cause this big drop because they see, oh, okay, I will lose everything. So he will book maybe 50%, but they are causing the downside on alts. It's crazy.
Is it?
Yeah. So who was talking? So CryptoKit, you have question? No question. JB?
I will.
Is it sound better now?
Okay, you are here.
Can you hear me?
Yes. So you have any question?
Oh, you can't hear me.
Yeah, we hear you.
Sound better now?
Okay, you are here.
Sorry. Can you hear me? Is it?
Yes.
Okay.
Do you have any question?
Yeah, I have a silly question.
Yeah, we hear you. Okay.
Why is it doing the feedback? My question is, yeah, I have a silly question. Do you hear this?
Yeah, we hear you.
Why you? You should just turn off volume when you hear yourself. Then ask maybe, because then we hear echo. Yeah, maybe turn off volume on TV and then ask. It's gonna be clean. So let's see. Yeah, ask me anytime. I just want to. It's time for sound. What is Ethereum doing? Very sad. Ethereum is already breaking down. Ethereum is losing golden zone, by the way. So
I can't hear myself, so hopefully you can hear me.
yes, now it's better. Yes.
My question is, if since I'm just getting to this whole thing and I'm late to the party and learning crypto, if Bitcoin goes to like 5,000, for example, and I have all these skills, what other markets would you take to trade? Is this like Forex or commodities, or what would you recommend? And I know that's a broad question, but
yeah,
it's your one.
I would say stay in crypto because you have volatility here. Even if we crash to bear market, it's much bigger volatility than other assets, and we know what's working here. But yeah, stock market is maybe not bad if you are searching for, yeah, some things are working there as well. But you will not get exocharts for stock market, so you cannot know what is happening exactly in the market. So exocharts is just such a big, huge, advantage over market. This is the best market in the world for me, I think. I was never so successful in other markets as here when you understand exocharts, yeah. And breaking down. Not yet swing failure pattern, you can see. This is looking good for swing failure pattern, you can see, guys. I said a lot of liquidity is here. Now you want to push, make green candle, okay. Very good volume, 20 million plus. Okay, that's your reversal candle right now, okay. You should really be already in a trade. I will not be trading live right now. You have your defined stop loss under. Really great, and exocharts probably confirm the move. Okay, so you have a live trade. Look at this, amazing, you know.
That's nice.
When I have trade, I cannot, I'm not multitasking, so I better I can commentate, I can give you trade right now, yeah, but it's better like this. You have amazing trade, I said, you know, this is what you want to see. Take out liquidity with wick and close. Already you were above here, so I would be aggressive over here already. And already you are making how much? So finally we have some, like, not live trade for me, but I said it's gonna be a good trade. Let's watch exocharts. It's not prepared. It's looking really good. When I have volume, I cannot hear volume right now very well, but you can even hear there was some, okay, liquidations. There are some nice orders. This is funny. Who is this? Oh, GDAX, Coinbase. Now what you need to do is to mark your first take profit. Oh fuck, I'm slow, too slow. Let's go.
Ha.
I would take first take profit over here in this area because, you know, you have resistance. Some longs were trying to buy here, so they will be resisting us down. So here, if you are aggressive, you just need to measure the move, measure full move. It's already 0.5, so you really need to take profit right now. It's already 0.5, you are out. Like, you are not out fully, but you take 50% right now. You are still in downtrend, you know, market is crazy. 50%, 60% off your trade right now. Okay, and also what you want to see again, you know, market is always in 80% of cases is ending in a market structure which is with Fibonacci, so you want to see now holding most aggressive Fib. If it's not gonna happen, we continue lower. It's very simple, you know, this one. So yeah, it is gonna be very small Fibs, but I will be watching it. %50 off or 60, and then you will see what's gonna happen on the golden zone. New York POG is probably not valid anymore. Where is it? $32,497. Okay, so it's same. Not same. 32,497. Naked. Yeah, so you see, take profit was important there. It was not even exo chart was needed. Of course, there was absorptions, but this is your market structure. Little one, but it's resistance, yeah. Those longs who were longing here, they are just trapped, so they need to get out and they cause the further downside. This is looking weak, so, and now you want to see if we hold golden zone and weekly. If we do and we do my higher high, then you might get your another target, which is golden zone, or even reverse the market. We will see. Okay, so there are some buyers. Resting buyers over there. 32,000. Okay. I sometimes watch GDAX or the book what's happening. If you can see on 50 minute that was crazy weakness, you know. Not a single reversal green candle or some hope. $30-minute not looking so good. But for now we are holding golden zone. So for now you are safe for now. If he's lost, I would just get out of the position. And make sure you just make 50-60%. You know, you can play this trade to be profitable. Why risking? You just go out right now. Just close position. Yeah? You have your 50%, 60%, and you had 0.5% move or 0.4. You play it safe. Because this is not looking like a reversal. It's still continuing down. Medium swing failure pattern. Delete it. Played out. I know if we reverse here, then it's still there, but yeah. You can see some heavy selling, yeah. We have much better template for this, Bram template there. Oh, too many templates already. Where is it? Okay, it is. That was pretty nice, right, Bram? Big absorptions here. 7.2 million, and it was eaten like nothing. 10 million eaten.
It missed my limit take profit by like $1 again, as usual.
Why you don't close with market, dude?
I did. I closed with market.
Okay,
no
okay.
worries. But yeah, I hate paying fees.
Yeah, this is looking good. By the way, yeah, this template of course, Bram will do video about it because this is his job, and I'm using it as well. This is very nice template because it's showing you 10 million sellers were selling into here, and look here, zero. This like. There was huge absorption here. They couldn't move the price. If 10 million can move the price, it's crazy, you know. It means a lot of absorptions. So they will be trapped if we continue up. So you have some fuel already. Yeah, but this candle, there were some buyers trying. They couldn't breach. So yeah, good to take profit.
Chibi or Bram, I actually have one more question about the fees. When you are entering the position, are you always use just market order, or sometimes you try to get limits?
80% of time I use market. Why would I? How can you have a limit here? You cannot know if it's swing failure pattern or not. You cannot, and if a market is proving you it's not, then you will not get filled on your limit. Like here, how? You know, it's not possible. You must market here above swing failure pattern. Look here. Like swing failure patterns, there is zero chance you will enter limit. Because if you do it, you are risking it's not going to be swing failure pattern.
All right.
Very good.
But-
So you see now, thanks to Bram template, we've seen absorption. Then my decision would be different. I would probably not close whole position. I would place stop loss here and wait. Maybe.
Yeah, I took 60% and stayed in. because of
I
it.
cannot. I have too many windows. And
But I
cannot-
think if it reverses again now, I will take my full profit
good. Yeah, this zone seems.
because I want to break. Yeah, this market structure needs to break for more upside.
Yeah. Maybe it will.
Yeah. It's not that many sellers right now.
There was the good
limits.
thing about it was we didn't do swing failure pattern, so we had higher low. This is like a little help. We will see.
Yeah.
This zone is not easy to break.
But it was quite a lot of absorption
Mhm.
from the sellers. So
Yeah, but someone bigger was definitely waiting there.
yeah.
But yeah, you can see the difference with exo charts. It can help you sometimes hold position longer, because when I see this, I will hold position a bit longer and I will wait for my stop loss. I know 10 million shorts are trapped here, and this is giving us fuel, they are sweating. But when we break this market structure up, they will start really sweating and probably closing, so they will cause further upside. So this is how exo charts is helping you, really. But I think that's the problem. This is where the Bitcoin is heading all the time for this major swing failure pattern. So even this bounce probably will be short-lived. We are very close to big liquidity. This is huge liquidity. There is too many stop losses here and exactly into our targets. So yes, and I'm probably going to table to turn on some nice monitors, and I'm going to trade it on all accounts because it's probably close. I will wait now, we can still talk, but when I see breakdown, I will go to trade it. I might record it, by the way, guys, for you, so you can see.
that
I
would
just
be
cannot
cool.
do it when we do streams because it's my multitasking cannot be possible on Yeah, but this is high probability bounce. Crazy. So it's just must bounce, like 80% plus, not must. Yeah, but wait here.
Okay, CB, can I ask you about one question?
Yeah.
When you go a little bit higher in your chart,
Okay.
lower, where you have the major one and medium SFP, lower a bit, yeah. Okay, now SFP happens, okay? It goes, for example, for 31,920. And what will be my confirmation? Will be that major SFP or medium SFP when I can enter?
Yeah, that will be the question. When you have such a swing failure patterns together, then ideally you take both of them. Then you have double liquidity, yeah?
Yeah. Okay, I will go to the 31,920, for example. Yeah.
Yes. That would be ideal. But it
it
might not
it takes
happen.
both of them. Where is my enter?
Like from this one.
Yeah. I go from the top and I take both of them.
Yeah, you buy when you go up. Like here, you had swing failure pattern. Same thing here. There is no magic. Same thing.
Yeah, I understand it, but I'm taking the position at the medium SFP or the above major SFP.
Oh yeah, when you
That's the
take both.
question.
Sorry, you mean when you take both, yeah. Of course,
Yeah.
lower one. You must wait for
Lower
this.
one, okay.
But when you
Okay.
close above major, you can add to your position. It will mean there is high chance of reversal because you took both of them. Like here, we can make major reversal already here and go $1,000 up. Yeah, this is major reversal region. This one, you cannot miss the chance. So yeah, we will see. But I expect, as we have so much volatility, big dump. Like I don't think it's gonna be very gentle candle. It's gonna be very aggressive candle down. Yeah. Yeah. We will need to watch. Because why stop here? There is nothing there. There is thin air there, just swing failure pattern. But we should stop here, yeah? Here is the main golden zone, yeah? The big one. And naked point of control daily. Naked point of control from daily. Daily itself, it's here. Pretty powerful one, untouched, yeah? We have the val here, this naked point of control. I think it's... yeah, this is the zone. This is the zone where you build swings, scalps, and all of them. If it's lost, then see you in Las Vegas, yeah. We will see.
Can I ask you one more question?
Mm-hmm.
We have UTC time, right? And 13th of July, today, 6:41.
Okay.
Can you see that?
6:41, yes.
Yes. I was just about to enter the position, and I just placed the FIBO from the top to the bottom.
Okay.
Solar FIBO.
This one?
Yes, exactly. And I see the nice reaction from VWAP and from Solar FIBO, if you can see at the first 1 minute candle.
Yeah.
Okay, can you zoom that maybe on the reaction that everybody will see?
Yeah, but as a seller, you mean? Yeah, here?
Yeah, as a seller. Yeah, exactly. That at 4... Sorry, wait a second. I got to do the exact... And it was 6:38.
6:38.
Yes.
Yeah, there is a small reaction. Yes.
This is a small reaction.
It is, there is no, like you see, there is a wick, but there is no follow through. Price continued.
Okay, so I need for the entering, I need to wait for one more red candle, right?
You want to see some volume, of course, and red candle as well, yeah. But yeah, the wig is great. This trade was a bit cheeky. I think this was a loser. There is nothing to about it. But for example, I would never trade this because I had a big Fibonacci's. Why you would be doing? You want bigger flips. Just that's it. When you have choppy range. When you enter here, it's middle of the range. It doesn't matter. It's VWAP, yeah. It's middle of the range, and in the middle of the range, you have chance 50-50. The trade goes your way or you lose. So I would never take this trade here. Not in this setup. Because where you play stop loss? You have wide stop losses as well. Middle of the range. So this trade, the only way how you should play this trade was major low, major high, and you should be buyer over here, stop loss here. This is how you should play this trade, not here. But it's okay. These trades can confuse traders. You will get it in time, like not to get chopped. And you will always mark major flips first. Always do not get chopped in smaller moves, like here from this point to this point. Now you have this point to this point, and you had perfect reaction here. Do not get chopped in smaller moves. That's my advice. You will avoid trades like this then. This was your perfect trade. Sell at VWAP weekly. We already discussed this one.
So for the potential trade, I will need to see I broke this low. Yeah. What do you mark it? What are you marking right now on the left?
Which one?
On the left. Yeah, this one.
This one. We have delay 5 seconds, so I cannot show you exactly.
On the left. Yeah.
This one.
Yeah, exactly this one. I need to broke. This low to make seller flips, right?
Yeah. When you break it, you cannot use it anymore. Of course, you must use this low. Yeah.
Okay.
And also, you can see we had no swing failure pattern here. That's how you do not take swing failure patterns, because it's not swing failure pattern. Just want to show you, it was clean breakdown. There was no return, nothing. It was just a breakdown. That's why people ask me, you cannot, if you have limit here, you are wrecked, okay? Because you enter here and you are wrecked. Your market goes 1% down. Yeah, almost 1%. So yeah, swing failure patterns entry, always market orders. Golden zone 2. Okay, so always guys make flips from major points first. It's especially now because in bull market it was much more easier than I show in videos, because you you had just big bull market, but now it's range. So in range, you look for outside points of the range. Yeah, for making fips, for entries, and so on.
Okay.
This was perfect. Perfect touch, almost. To the golden zone. Good. Okay, I want to check if someone who is missing in questions. I want to get question from anyone. So CryptoKitty can finally give question.
Can I give question?
She asked already. Yes, okay, she asked already. Yeah, you can do one more.
Hi, sorry, I just joined. Can you comment about actual, like, let's say, medium swing failure pattern we have right now? It's pretty weak, actually. It did like 0.5% bounce, and now it's just going sideways again. So it was very weak.
Right now, you mean, yes?
Yeah, this actual one.
Yeah. How long are you in the group? Because we went live with this trade.
We just took the trade live.
Yeah. Okay. Who took?
It's Marchukas. It's me, Martin.
I know. So Marciukas, you were here when it happened or not? Because you were commenting about it.
I was not in a live talk because I missed you guys.
Then
Sorry.
just watch live stream. It's better. I don't want to repeat myself.
So you already
took it live.
commented.
We took it like I didn't took it live, but I was commenting and Bram took it. So we were both together.
Sorry. I will rewatch.
No problem. But you will get full explanation. Right now, it's just, as you say, weakness, and I think we are too close to major liquidity. Market Bitcoin is not like that. He will take this sooner or later. So, and the market participants know this. So they allow some 0.5 bounce, but we go here, okay? When we break this low, I will be ending stream. I'm going to my trading station, guys. So I'm just warning you, because it's money time. Hopefully winning, yeah, not losing. We will get confirmations. Good. So who is missing in questions? So we went all of the top of people. Josie Dog, did you ask question today, or you don't have any? Josie Dog is watching. Okay, Kuso, you have some question? Kuso is watching. Lixio. You have some question?
Actually, no question. I need to practice a little bit more, and the trades I do are successful. And again, I learned a lot again with your videos. So now in this live stream, etc. So that's awesome. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. Cool, dude.
I actually have another small question.
Show it.
It's swing failure pattern. We do scalping, watching 1 minute and so on, and maybe drawing them on 15 minutes or finding them on 1 hour. But isn't that the same principle possible for whatever swing trade is also on daily? And if, then how they are entering it?
Oh, so what was the question? I was just watching graph. Sorry, I'm already in my zone. Sorry.
Also, swing failure pattern, because we are doing this on scalping wise on 1 minute and 15 and so on.
Yeah.
But what is actually with day trade or swing traders when they are charting daily? You also is it possible they are also with swing failure patterns? And if, how they are entering it? I doubt they are using 1 minute chart.
Yeah, it's 1 minute chart. Yeah. Like all of the good trades past few weeks, we had from swing failure patterns mostly. So, and from major ones. Okay, remember it's from major ones mainly. And if you want swing, then you just make it as a scalp, and then you just hold it for weeks or days. Yeah, it's a swing trade. That's what you meant, right?
I'm not sure. Can you find them on daily, or can you chart them on daily level? And if you chart them on daily level, how you are entering them still on 1 minute, or
daily?
Is it
This one you mean, yeah? I don't know which daily you mean.
Daily? No, I mean a swing failure pattern. We are charting them on 1 minute, 15 minutes, 1 hour.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it can happen on 50 minutes, of course, on 1 hour. Yeah, if it's a major big swing failure pattern, you can watch bigger time frames.
And if it's like bigger time frame, like 4 hour time frame or 1 day time frame, how you are entering?
It's
Then-
it's easy,
then-
dude. Like hitting a button is easy. You just have to have a plan. Like here, we did a huge swing failure pattern. Look here. This one I will show you as last example, and this is gonna be it for today. I smell blood. I want to trade it. So yeah, here you had a big candle down. Okay, you tried to close above, but there was no confirmation. One more candle down, and the green candle starting to push up. So you will enter here as a swing trader.
An
You
hour
increase-
later, yeah.
Yes, here, or even you can
Okay.
even wait here. If you are really conservative, you can wait here. And of course, you just need to measure stop loss and apply it to your account. It's all about risk. So your stop loss is gonna be here, can be wider. Let's say 6%. So if it's 6% stop loss, you should really use 0.3x leverage to get 2% risk to your account on swing trade. So for me, swing trades are not so profitable as like scalping, because I cannot use high leverage there. Yeah, because of this, you have a wider stop loss. But what we teach in the group, we enter as a scalpers, so we can have really tight stop loss even for swing. By the way, this was not the right one. This was pretty tight one. This was this low, this and low was this swing failure pattern. That's why we went lower. So you have pretty, yes. Look at that. When we watch this on a 50-minute. Yes. So now you can see the reaction, and now you can enter. Even as a swing trader, you can wait for confirmation, like close the candle here and start forming a green candle here, but you will have better stop loss if you are on 50-minute time frame. How much is it? Much better stop loss. You can see it's just 3% maybe. You can have higher leverage, but I'm trying to catch all swing trades with scalping accounts because I want bigger leverage. That's big advantage, really big advantage. I don't want to catch it over here. I want to catch it when we are catching it before the move, before the world, you can say. Like indicators, they show entry here too late, we are first in the party.
Yeah, but when I'm at work or something is better than nothing, then I maybe using the half-hour time frame or whatever, then...
Yeah, 1 hour is at
No,
least. 1 hour is at least. Okay, guys, we will seal it. I'm going to trade station. I think we will take the move right now, so it's time to make money. So
Yeah,
it was
good luck for you.
really great talking today. Everyone had questions, so thank you very much for that.
Thank you too. Very
Thank
much.
you, and we will see you in next week, maybe Sunday, if it fits people. Yeah,
Thank
I
you,
hope
Shiva.
Sounds good.
Yeah, so be careful. Do not sleep today. Just watch the zone and take the trade. It's gonna be amazing. I feel it. I will be commenting in the group, right? So before because we need confirmations, yeah, not just blindly long.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah. So have a nice night, guys, and evening. Thank you for everything.
Bye bye.
You too. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye. Bye.